You like milk? I'm drinking milk off a box. Nice weather. I can't do this again this well. I've just shot this whole video from start to finish, and then I realized my camera was in manual focus and I was completely out of focus. Life. Anyway, I'm in Madrid for 2 nights, 1 day, basically the whole day today, and I'm leaving tomorrow morning early to London, baby. I'm here for a concert. I'm shooting Enrique Iglesias tonight for his last European concert of the year. So I'm here in Europe and I'm gonna go back to Bali in like 5 days. Can't wait because it's freezing. It's like I got the heater on at like 22 degrees because I'm freezing, and I can't stay in a jumper because I don't like jumpers too much. I mean, I love jumpers, but not too much. Anyways, we're here today talking about, I do this a lot, have you realized? I'm always clapping. I'm here today to talk to you about room tours, how to take your room tour to the next level with this 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, I don't know how many tips I'm going to give you, with a few tips on how to get your room tour better. First of all, you don't need a massive room, a gigantic room, or whatever room. You can do this in your Hong Kong studio apartment, which is as big as this desk thing, or you can do this in a resort in Hawaii. Doesn't matter. You can do this anywhere. Follow these tips, you get there eventually. First of all, you need to have a camera. Doesn't matter if it's your mirrorless Sony, your Canon, you have a gimbal, you don't have a gimbal, you have a phone. You can do this with your phone. Just be creative, right? Just do it with your iPhone. Then a wide angle lens will help you, but it's not necessary. I shot it on a 24mm Sigma, for example. If you have a 16, that's better. If you have a smaller room, you can make the room bigger basically, because you know, wide lens, everything looks wider. So that's the first tip. Use a wide lens if you have access to one. If you don't, just play with what you have. If you have an 85mm or 100mm, maybe a room tour isn't the thing you should do, but then you can play around with it. Maybe you live in a mansion, maybe 85mm it's not cropping enough to get you bed. I don't know. Tip number 2 is go with the details first. When you're editing a video, if you focus on the details, the video is going to come out better. If you shoot a video and focusing on the details, like go around this agua and caja mejor. If you focus on the details and get all the little things, that will make your video better. Third tip is go with the transitions. And I usually do this in camera. I don't really like zooms and kind of thing. So I just like whip my camera or mask or go behind something, come out of something, that kind of vibe. By doing that, I basically show different sides of the room. Might be the same thing, maybe a bed from this angle and then this angle, but keeping it entertaining and keep the viewer looking at the screen. Just like looking at the screen. This thing just went into, I had to put it 24 degrees because it went into AC mode. It's like it's getting cold in here. It's like 0 degrees outside. Alright, last thing I want to talk about, like every video, you need music. Music is what sets the tempo of the video, is what makes a video better, is what makes a video feel more intimate and gets the viewer more related to the video as well, with like sound effects and stuff like that. Today specifically, I want to talk about music. Usually I choose music from a bunch of royalty-free music websites, and I just use royalty-free music. But then sometimes I kind of want to use a song that I've heard in a movie or from an artist that I know, like John Newman, to just, I like John Newman. And then I'm like, well, if I use it, I could use it because my channel isn't monetizing yet, but maybe I want to use that song for a specific video and I have 1 million subscribers. Who knows? And I want to use a song from a movie and I still want to monetize the video and I still want to do whatever I'm doing, but I want to use a famous song. What do? You can use the song, you can go through the label, get the license on, and you're going to spend like what, $500 to get one song in your video. That's extreme, right? But today I want to talk about Licked. Licked is a new website that just came out. They got in touch with me and they basically just said if I wanted to make a video with one of their songs, and they show me the website, and basically what they do is they take care of the licensing for you, so no more headaches for licensing, and also you can choose from any song from any artist they have on the website. At the moment they just launched, so it's a pretty new service, but I have so many famous artists and movies that you can choose from, and it's just amazing. Go have a look. I'll leave a link below. If you sign up today, you get a song for free. So just sign up, try it out, get a first song, and see if you like it. I actually like it because sometimes I just want to use a song from a movie, or John Newman, for example, and he's on the website. I can choose almost any of his songs and get a license for as little as 5 years. 5 years, and you can use the song forever on your YouTube channel. How cool is that? Obviously if you have more subscribers, the price goes up, but I've just did a test. If you have 1 million subscribers, you're gonna pay up to, I think, $45 or $50 US for one song, which is actually not that much if you know what licensing costs usually. That's all for me, guys. I'll see you guys next week. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all the things that you always do, and I'll see you guys on the next one.